Yo, I haven't spoken to you guys in a long time. I mean, I haven't actually made a video like this in a long time, that's what I mean. Well, we're currently in a new house. This is my setup that I've got going. Welcome back to another video. I don't actually know what this video is going to be about, but I'll find out eventually throughout the video. Let's keep it on that lighting. Ooh, that looks good. I think like the last video I made was probably with George. Like I actually made to actually be a video, if you know what I mean. So the other one, the camera tutorial, we actually did at college, and that was basically my version of what we had to do. But yeah, we're in a new house. I mean, I'll give you a little tour. Let me just turn that light on. There we go. Lovely. That's the living room. It's not the biggest house, but it's a really nice and homely house. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So this is the kitchen. Alright, and then we'll go back upstairs, and I'll just that's really it. That's all you really need to see. There's a bathroom at the end of the hall. But yeah, kitchen, living room, and the stairs. Today indeed is the 6th of December, and that means that Christmas is getting nearer and nearer. I'm gonna make a Christmas video. I'll probably make a couple and try get some videos out near to the Christmas time, obviously, because I've got a bit more time on my hands. But I thought I'd just give you guys a quick update of what's happening. So I've moved house, and it's great. It's a nice house, but I just need to get into routine of making videos again, finding like the best lighting. I might order some lighting for my desk so I can just record on my desk, because at the moment I've literally just got my window and my monitors. So yeah, I mean, I hope you did enjoy the video. It's not that good of a video really. I'll see you in the next one.
Cutie, I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light.